Another problem from the inequalities worksheet. So inequalities, well, I should say section 4, unit 4. You guys put up with me and you're very patient. Unit 4, inequalities worksheet. Okay. This is the worst unit 4 ever. Okay. Let's pick one. Let's pick number 11. So it says 7n minus 2n plus 5 is less than 3n minus 16. Okay, well, this has to be distributed, and I see a minus 2. I'm going to make that a plus negative so I don't make any mistakes. Okay, bring down the 7n. You get a negative 2, and you get a negative 2. So negative 2 times n is negative 2n, plus negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. It's less than 3n minus 16. Are there like terms? Yes. This is a like term as this on one side of the equation. So 7n plus negative 2n is 5n plus negative 10, which can also be written as 5n minus 10. Some of you might like that. So let me write 5n minus 10. Forget that line. Is less than 3n minus 16. We'll bring down less than 3n minus 16. Let's think about this. 5n is heavier than 3n. It's bigger than 3n. I'm going to keep it where it is. I'm going to move the 3n. So I'm going to subtract 3n from both sides. Okay, that gives me 2n. 5n minus 3n is 2n. Bring down the minus 10. Bring down the less than sign. These canceled out. And I'm still left with negative 16. Don't forget the negative sign. I need to get the n by itself, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So I get 2n, still with the less than. Negative 16 plus 10, that's negative 6. And I'm going to, let's see, 2 times n. Well, to get n by itself, we can divide by 2, which is the same as multiplying by a half. The 2's cancel, and I'm left with n is less than negative 3. Okay, so if I wanted to graph that, here's my number line, here's my 0, here's my negative 3. Let's see, n is less than negative 3. It's not less than or equal to, it's less than. So I have an open circle, because negative 3 is not a possible answer. And then it's anything less than that. So that's everything in this direction. And there we go.